Hey everybody, I'm here to show you how to style your bangs for when you're growing them out so they don't get in your face. Alright, this is Alicia here at Strand Salon. We're going to right into the tutorial. So for the first style we're going to do with the bangs is just wearing them down and flat ironing them off to the side so that they're not in your face as much, because as you can see I have some grown out bangs that can get pretty annoying when they're in your face all the time. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our trusty little flat iron here and start with the front section of your bangs. And just take them and curve them right off to the side. And then you can give them a little bit of a bend at the end so that they stay right away. You can kind of join them into the rest of your hair as well when you're flat ironing them so that they stick to the other hair. And you can see they're hanging out off to the side now. And then spritz them a little bit with your hairspray. And then they're there to stay. And then for our second style, we're going to do like a little bang bump to keep them up and out of your face. So what we're going to start with is you're going to start by sectioning off your bangs from the rest of your hair. And I like to clip the rest of my hair back just so that it stays out of the way. And then you're going to split your bangs in half. And you're going to back comb them. And I'm just using a little fine toothbrush, and then I'm going to take a little texture hairspray and spray it just at the base. And then take it and just go right down. You don't have to do a ton, just enough to give it a little bit of volume. And then you're going to take the next section and do the same thing, but you're going to do it from the back side. And then comb out the front of it to smooth it out. And then you'll gather them all together. And at this point, you can release the rest of your hair. And take your little bobby pins. And pin it right in place. And you can keep them lower like mine, or you can push them up even higher if you want. But it's enough to keep it right out of your face. And then if you need little extra hairs pinned down, you can pin those as well. Alright, there you have it. Got them a little bumped out of your face. Alright you guys, here's been a couple ways for you to keep your bangs out of your face while you're growing them out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos in the future.